Morning, students. So please take a workbook, part 1, page number 24. The same page you can see on the screen also. Okay, let me share the screen. Page number 24. Part 1, page number 24. So Bennett, let's start. And here we have multiple choice questions. Add and choose the correct number for the sum. So what about the first one? Count it and tell me what's the number.
Ma'am, textbook or
Not textbook, workbook. It's already put in the group. No, you have to be ready with your workbook part 1. So you have to keep before the class. Bennett, count how many are there? How many are there?
17.
17. So what about the next number?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Count and tell me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, it's 10. So 17 plus 10. Tell me the answer. Is it 31 or 27 or 28 or 7? What's the answer?
27.
Yes, it's 27. So which is the correct option here?
B.
Which one?
B.
B. So put tick mark for B and write capital letter B inside the bracket. So here you can put a tick mark for B and write B inside the bracket.
Next at 3 p.m.
Okay, Advait BM. Advait BM, please start with number 2. Count and tell me.
Okay.
How many are there, Advait?
12.
12. What about the next one? 12 itself. So, what's the total number of? Is it 24 or 12 or 0 or 23?
44.
Which option?
44.
Which one?
44.
24. 12 plus 12. 24. Option A. See, 12 plus 12. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 24 is the correct answer.
24.
Now-
Next Tirtha.
Okay, Tirtha. Number 3. Count. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, what about the next?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12.
Okay, now what about the total number? 11, 12.
23.
Okay, good. Girl.
23.
Yes, the answer is option B, 23. So please write the B inside the brackets.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear. Now those who have completed, please take page number 25. Page number 25.
Ma'am, Evina can read.
Yeah, why doubt? Evina, please read the next one. Let me take the next page.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Miss, standard 2.
Yes? Arnav?
Standard 2.
Yeah, this is standard 2A. Now, please take page number 25 and we have question number 4. So, Evina, please read.
The sum of 25 and 25 is dash.
Yes, here we have multiple choice question. The sum of 25 and 25. Let's add 25 and 25. Okay.
Miss,
So,
this book
part 1 workbook. This is part 2 only, my dear. Part 1 you have to take. At one space, we can see 5 plus 5. Evina, 5 plus 5, what's the answer?
10.
10. So you can write it 10 here. 10 means 1, 10, 0, 1. So 0 will come here. This 1 will come to this side. Now 1 plus 2. What's the answer, Avina?
4.
1 plus 2. What's the answer?
3.
Ah, it's 3. Now 3 plus 2. What's the answer, Avina? 5. So what's the answer? 25 plus 25. Answer is 50. So which is the correct option here?
A.
A. So please put a tick mark for option A 50 and write capital letter A inside the bracket. Now Meenakshi, please read the next one. 5. Others, please be quiet. Meenakshi, question number 5.
Which is the missing digit in 45 plus 48?
Which is the missing digit? Okay, 45, 48. Let's add. Now, at one's place, you can see 5 plus 8. What's the answer? 5 plus 8? Meenakshi?
Now has 40 standard 1.
5 plus 8. Others, please be quiet. Meenakshi, what is 5 plus 8?
13.
5 plus 8. What's the answer?
30.
13. So we can write the 13 here. This we have to regroup it. So 1, 10, 3 ones. So let's write the 3 here. 1 will move to this side. Now 1 plus 4. What's the answer, Meenakshi?
5.
5. Now 5 plus 4. What's the answer?
9.
9. So the answer is 93. And here it is given only the one space. 10 space is missing. So 10 space, which is the number? Is it 4 or 8, 0 or 9? 9. So please put a tick mark for option D 9 and write capital letter D inside the bracket. You understood the question? Here the 10 space is missing in the answer. That is 9 is missing. So the correct option is option D 9. Please put a tick mark for option D9 and write capital letter D inside the bracket. Now, Dhyan KS, please unmute and read question number 6. Others, please be quiet. Please read question number 6. Dhyan.
The sum of 300 and 500 is dash.
300 and 500. Let's add
Around in
the hundreds, tens, ones. Please be quiet. Now, we can start with the ones place. 0 plus 0. What's the answer?
Yes, 1 ma'am.
0 plus 0 at one's place. What's the answer? 0 plus 0.
0.
Tens place 0 plus 0. What's the answer?
0.
Hundreds place 3 plus 5. What's the answer?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
3 plus 5. Answer again, then.
8.
Who is making sound there?
Advai TM.
Then, once again, please. 3 plus 5.
8.
5 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. After 5, 6, 7,
8.
8. So we will get 800 as answer. So which is the correct option here? Is it A, B, C or D?
D.
So please put a tick mark for option D 800 and write capital to D inside the bracket. So I'm calling out the name now, so they will give me the answer. Others, please be quiet. Now we can move to the next one. Okay. And here we have Albumani, unmute and tell me. Question number 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the question.
22 plus 38 equal 38 plus
What will be the answer? 22 plus 38 is equal to 38 plus dash.
22.
Very good. What we call this property, my dear? What we call this property of addition? Commutative property. Are you remembering? Commutative property. While we change the order of numbers, while we adding, if we change the position of numbers, nothing is happening to the sum. So this is commutative property. 22 plus 38 is equal to 38 plus 22. Okay. Now we can move to the next one. Question number 8. Mitra, please unmute and read. Question number 8.
We regroup the sum if the sum of the digits is more than dash.
What's the answer? When we will regroup the number? If the sum is, how much will come? The last one digit number, which is that the biggest one digit number?
9.
9. So 9 is a one digit number now. So up to 9, no need of regrouping. But if it will come 10, that means it's a two digit number. So we have to regroup it. So here we can say we regroup the sum if the sum of the digit is more than
1.
Mitra.
More than 9.
More than 9. Okay. Up to 9 it's okay. Because it's a one digit number. Directly we can write. No problem. But if it comes to two digit number, that means it's 10 onwards. We have to regroup it. So up to 9 it's okay. Understood, Mitra?
Okay.
Now let's move to number 9.
Always
Now number 9.
start from the dash, please.
Shiva Madhav, please read the question. Question number 9. Shiva Madhav, please read question number 9.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, while
What, ma'am?
while adding
Two numbers.
While adding
Numbers always started from
number
others, please be quiet. I need only Shiva Madhav's voice.
to
While
number
adding two numbers, always start from the dash place. Which place we will start? Is it 1's place or 10's place or 100's place? Always we have to start from the
hundreds place.
we will start from the 100's place. Why we are adding numbers? Shiva Madhav.
One's place.
1's place. We will start from the 1's place. O-N-E-S. Ones. Always we should start from the 1's place. That you have to remember. While we adding, we have to start from the 1's place.
Yes.
Now let's move to number 10.
Yes.
What about others? Shall we move to number 10?
Yes.
And question number 10 here we have, should we regroup if the sum of the digit is 9?
No.
No, if it is 9, it's a one digit number. No need to regroup it. But if it is 10, we have to regroup it. So should we regroup if the sum of the digit is 9? No.
No.
Okay, the answer is no. Very good, Advai. Understood the question? When we add the 1's place, we got the answer 9. So no need of regrouping because it is a one digit number. So directly we can write the number 9 at 1's place. But if it is a two digit number, we have to regroup it. Okay. Now, Evelyn, please unmute and read question number 11. Question number 11.
What is the sum of 78 and 0?
What's the answer? 78 plus 0.
78.
Yes. What is this property we call it? The zero property of addition. When we add 0 to a number, we get the same number. Or The number itself. So the answer is 78. Now, Chaitanya, please unmute and read question number 12. Anushka, Bhagyasri, please turn on your videos. Many are switch off.
16 plus 13 is equal to 13 plus 16 is equal to 29. What property does this addition statement show?
What's the answer?
Commutative
Commutative property.
property.
Will you tell me the spelling?
Yes. Commutative.
Hi, camera. Some problem.
Okay. So commutative property. C-O-M-M-U-T-A-T-I-V-E. Commutative property. Okay, good. P-R-O-P-E-R-T-Y. Arnav, Samtom, Madhav, why you people are switching off your camera? C-O-M-M-U-T-A-T-I-V-E. Commutative property. C-O-M-M-U-T-A-T-I-V-E. Commutative property. P-R-O-P-E-R-T-Y. So shall we move to 13?
Yes, ma'am.
Nived, question number 13. Add vertically. It's already written there. 28 and 18. Nived, at one space we can see 8 plus 8. What's the answer? 8 plus 8, Nived? 8 in the mind, 8 on the fingers. Take 8 on fingers and count. Okay. Now after 8, 9,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Very good. 16. So we can write that in number 16 here. 16 is a two-digit number. So we have to regroup it. So we can say 1, 10 and 6 ones. What is the number digit that is one space, Nived? 6. So we can write the number 6 here. And the 10th space, we can see this one. This will go to here. Now 1 plus 2. What's the answer? 1 plus 2, Nived?
3,
3. Now again, 3 plus 1.
4,
4. So the answer is
46.
46. The answer is 46. Anushka, tell me the next one. Okay, Anushka. Anushka, please unmute. Here B we have 14 and 16. So which is the first number, Anushka? You have to leave one line, then you have to write. The first number is? Tell me, Anushka, which is the first number? 14.
40.
Second number?
16.
16. Now you add it. Add it. You first add. Later we will discuss. I am giving you 2 minutes. Do it. 14 plus 16.
Ma'am, the answer is 32.
Very good. The answer is 30. So here we can see at one place 4 and 6. Let's add 4 and 6. What's the answer? 4 and 6, or 4 plus 6? 6 in the mind, 4 on the fingers.
3.
4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So 10 is a 2-digit number. We have to regroup it. So 1, 10 and 0 ones. So 0 we can write here. 1 will move to the tens place. Now 1 plus
30.
1. 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So the answer is 30.
3.
The answer is 30.
Ma'am,
Now you please complete it.
I saw
Ma'am,
the 14th question.
Ma'am, I'm joined this time only.
Then I will send the same in the group. So please complete that time.
Ma'am, I have solved 14th question.
Okay, good.
My pencil are missing.
Those who have completed, you can take the next page. Page number 26. Now try to do the next question. Question number 14. We will discuss after some time.
Already the answer.
Solve using vertical addition.
Please be quiet. Siddhi Vinayak, keep your camera properly.
Ma'am, the answer is 845.
Now let's move to question, page number 26.
Yes.
And here we have question number 14. Are you remembering the big blocks and all?
Yes.
You studied in number chapter, no?
Yes.
Yes. So the yellow color, how many are there? What it shows?
400.
There are 4. So it shows 400. No? It shows 400. Now, how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So
14. 14.
here you can see 400 plus 40. How many ones?
1.
1. So 400 plus 40 plus 1. So what's the number?
441.
Very good. So the first number we got 441. So let's write 441. Now the same way the next one. How many hundreds are there?
300.
300. So 300 plus. Is there tens here?
No.
So
0.
put 0. Now what about the ones?
4.
4. So what's the number?
304.
Very good. 100 space you can put 3, 10 space it is 0, 1 space it is 4. So 304. So we got the next number 304.
Abid can answer.
Now we can add the numbers.
Ma'am, Abid can answer.
Yes. So at 1 space 4 plus 1. What's the answer?
5.
5. At the 10 space 4 plus 0. What's the answer?
4.
4. Now 100 space 4 plus 3. What's the answer?
8.
Eh?
7.
This answer is 7. So what is the answer? We got it.
745.
745. Okay, good. So all of you please write.
tuition is finished.
Okay, good.
Mother finished.
What about others?
Mr. Fish.
Okay, good, good, very good. Asriya, please turn on your video and read the question number 15.
Question.
Question number 15, please read. Question number 15, please read. There are. Unmute, I can hear Asriya. There are
There are 11
cows
cows on farm.
on a farm. 11 cows on a farm. The owner
The owner
moves
moves
19
19
more
cows.
cows to the farm. So it was already 11 and the owner brought 19 more. Now, what is the question? How many cows
are
are there on the farm? Okay. How many cows are there on the farm? So let's write the numbers.
Answer is 21.
Now, listen here. There are 11 cows. So you can round the number 11 and write the number 11. Now, the owner moves 19 more. So the next number is 19. Okay. Now, let's add the numbers. At one space, we can see 1 plus 9. Azriya, what's the answer? 1 plus 9.
10.
When we add a 1 to a number, we get the next number. So 1 plus 9, the answer is 10. 10 is a two-digit number. So we have to regroup it. That means 1, 10 and 0 ones. So the 1 space, we can see the number 0. Now 10 space, we can see 1 that will move to here. Now 1 plus 1, what's the answer, Asriya? 1 plus 1.
30.
1 plus 1, Asriya. 2. Now 2 plus 1,
3.
3. So the answer is
30.
30. So there are dash cows on the farm. How many cows are there?
30.
There are 30 cows. So the remaining questions we will do it in the next class.
Ma'am, I solved the 17th question.
Good, good, very good.
Ma'am, 2D class.
No, the
Ma'am,
2D.
mother finished.
Okay, good boy.
A class. 1. 1. 1.
So let me stop sharing.
Yes.
The same page I will forward on the group also. So those who join late or those who have network issue, please complete it in the workbook. And thank you for joining. We will continue the next class. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Bye, ma'am. Bye.